afternoon, students. Welcome to Biotechnology. Myself, Ume Najma. You have seen my profile photo in Gmail. So, whatever the class I am taking. So, myself, Ume Najma, and my designation is Assistant Professor. So, I just want to introduce in our department, we'll be having the three faculties. Permanent faculty, our HOD Dr. Tejaswini, myself Ume Najma, and one more faculty Dr. Ranjini P. Okay, so welcome to biotechnology. So biotechnology, when you have taken with lot of scopes and dreams. Truly, you are in the right place. Okay, so we just define biotechnology first. So biotechnology is nothing but it's a technology that involves the use of living organisms to get products for human welfare. That means in biotechnology what we are going to do is it's a technology and it involves the living organisms. Okay, what this particular technology will do, it will uses the living organisms to get the products for human welfare. Okay, here biotechnology can be applied, the products of biotechnology can be used in any fields. Say for example, we have biotechnology that gives products that are useful for agriculture, and this will fall under the agriculture biotechnology. For example, we can produce biopesticides, okay, biofertilizers, salt tolerant, temperature tolerant, disease tolerant, drought tolerant, cold resistance plants. Okay, and we can develop the insect resistant plants. This is with respect to the agriculture field. Likewise, we have many other applications, like for example, in case of the medical field or in case of the clinical field or medical biotechnology. So here we can produce a number of drugs. Drugs means medicines. Okay, medicines from living organism, maybe from the bacteria or maybe plants or maybe microbes or any other organism we can use, and we can produce the drugs. For example, antibiotics, analgesics, viral drugs. You can name many more things, anti-cancerous drug. Okay, not only this, we can also use the medical biotechnology for diagnosis of various diseases. Okay, at the early stage only we can able to diagnose the diseases by using the biotechnology. Likewise, we have application in industrial field. Industry also we are having so much of application. For example, industry means, for example, production of colors, production of flavors, production of various organic acids, vitamins, amino acids. Okay, like this we can produce many compounds by using the biotechnology. I have introduced the very narrow or little benefits of biotechnology or scope and applications of biotechnology. There are many other scopes and we will learn many things in our journey of biotechnology. So first we have to know, to be a biotechnologist, what are the things you need to know. Okay, what we are telling, biotechnology is a technology that uses the living organism. That means we should know about the living organisms. Okay, living organism. Can you name some living organisms? Yes, we can have microorganisms. Okay, we can have plants. We can have animals. Okay, living organism may be anything. It may be a microorganism, plants, or anything which is having the life is known as the living organism. That means to be a biotechnologist, we should have proper idea about the living organism. We should know what are the different types of living organism. Not only that type, we should also know the not only the whatever the activities they are performing on a morphology. We should also know about the cellular metabolism. We should also know what are the different pathways, what are the different biochemical pathways each of the organism is having. Then only we can able to design a drug, or we can able to identify a microorganism. Okay, likewise, second important thing that defines biotechnology is technology. So first thing is you should know about the living organism. Second thing is technology. So what are the techniques we will use? We can use various biophysical techniques. Okay, we can use various biophysical techniques, molecular biology techniques. Okay, and we'll use various tissue culture technique. For example, if we are using plants, we can use the plant tissue culture technique. We should know about plant tissue culture technique. We should know about the animal cell culture technique. Okay, we should know about the diagnosis techniques. Likewise, when we are telling biotechnology, we are studying the living organisms as well as we are studying the technology. That means biotechnology means we doesn't directly go into genetic engineering. Before going to the technological aspect of biotechnology, we should know about the living organism. That's why in the first semester you will be studying the two important concepts. One is the biomolecules and microbiology. Okay, in the first semester you are going to study about biomolecules and microbiology. In the second semester you are going to study the cellular metabolism and enzymology. Okay, in the third semester you are going to study cell biology and genetics. Okay, in the fourth sem you are going to study genetics. You are going to study the plant tissue culture and animal cell culture. You might have observed, so in the beginning of the first 3 semester you are going to study, you are knowing about the living organisms, biomolecules, what are the biomolecules present in a cell, microorganisms, microbiology, like you are going to study the microorganism, various kind of microorganism, cellular metabolism, you are going to study the cellular pathways, enzyme, what are the enzymes which are present in the organism, cell biology, how many different types of cells are there, what are the cells will do, how they will replicate, all those things you will study in cell biology. Genetics, how different genes are present, how they will influence each other, all those things you are going to study in genetics. Okay, later once you have finished the living organism, then you will come to the technological part. So plant tissue culture, animal cell culture you are going to study in 4th sem. 5th semester you are going to study the molecular biology and genetic engineering. Okay, in one paper, and then you are going to study immunology, medical biotechnology. Last semester you are going to study microbial technology and agriculture biotechnology. Microbial technology and agriculture biotechnology as well as bioinformatics and environmental biotechnology. So this is the brief briefing regarding the subjects what you are going to study in your BSc Biotechnology.